Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen with me, Lilith. On today's menu is a spicy and authentic Rajma Chawal, also known as sugar beans curry here in South Africa. Now, this one is such a wholesome and hearty meal, and it's absolutely delicious. And what I like about a good sugar beans curry is that you can serve it with rice, roti, with chapatis, and the best is in a bunny chow. But today I'm not serving it in a bunny chow, but you will definitely enjoy the recipe. So come with me and let's go make some Rajma Chawal sugar beans. I'm going to be adding about a quarter cup of oil, followed by a diced onion. I've got my whole spices, some cardamom, cinnamon, some cloves, jeera, star anise, and a bay leaf. I'm adding in some fresh curry leaves and 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. We want to give everything a good mix. I'm adding a diced tomato, and I'm going to follow this with my ground spices, some chili powder, turmeric powder, fennel, cumin and coriander powder, and 2 curry spoons of hot masala. Now we want to mix this to make sure that all of the spices are mixed nicely together. I'm adding in my sugar beans, also known as Rajma Chawal, together with the potatoes because the beans is pre-boiled. I will be topping this with some water and I will let this cook until the potatoes are soft, as the beans is already pre-boiled. Let's add some salt for taste. Just want to make sure everything is stirred in nicely and cover this and let this cook, like I said, till the potatoes are nice and soft. So if you pre-boil the beans, this is actually a very quick dish. So this only took around about 30 minutes. And as you can see, that gravy is looking nice and golden. The gravy is nice and thick and the potatoes are soft, which means that the sugar beans Rajma Chawal is ready. And this is your spicy sugar beans curry or Rajma Chawal. You can finish off with some fresh coriander and serve with some rotis or chapatis in a bunny chow or with basmati rice or fresh white bread. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy cooking, friends. Thanks for watching.